Good morning, you guys. I'm in my new apartment. I'm like, this is so surreal to me. Like, wow. I'm above ground. That's the major part. And I can see outside and see civilization. And I can tell what the weather is now. I have no idea why I'm up this early. I got up at like 6:15. It's currently 6:56 right now. First order of the day is to make up my bed. I slept on the floor and it wasn't the most comfortable sleep. Ooh, definition. I went to bed at like after 2 in the morning and I don't even know why I'm awake right now. See my Gucci? Yeah, let's do that. So wherever I'm gonna put my bed, I'm gonna quickly Swiffer it clean. I did clean it last night before I put my blanket down just because dust, because it's a new apartment, never lived in before. So I'm gonna quickly do that. Unfortunately, I'm missing the 4 legs of my bed, so I can't even put up my bed and I'm gonna have to drive all the way back to Brampton. Gas. Actually, I just thought about something. It might be in my car, so I'm gonna unload my car and hopefully I find it and don't have to drive to Brampton. Okay, I've emptied my car. Everything is now in my apartment. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. Foot of the bed was in my trunk. So now, for real, let's make my bed. This bed is so comfortable. What is life? Oh my god! It's freshly 9 right now. I want to go by the management office to tell them about my broken toilet seat that I didn't see before I signed off and said everything was out, okay? I'm gonna do that in a little bit. I have to find clothes to wear, go out, and I need to stop by the dollar store to pick up a shower curtain for the meantime until I get a good one, and then I see what can happen for the rest of the day. But my bed is up and everything is gonna flow after that. So yeah, I'm gonna finish sweeping. So that's what my room is looking like. And I have all of this to deal with. There's no way I'm gonna get everything done today. It is currently 9:26. I went to look for some change of clothes so I can go on the road and run my errands pretty quickly. Got my nails done and I'm currently eating some pizza. Now that I finished eating, I want to start packing some stuff away before I have to go back to Brampton in a little bit. I'm going to spread my bed so that I don't have to deal with it when I come back. And then I'm going to try to pack away at least the kitchen stuff so that that's put away so I can actually have my stuff together to make dinner and all that. I look like a vampire with my teeth. The deal, I want to repurpose my drawer because I'm going for a white gold theme. I want to spray paint the handles gold, and plus these markings here, I want to see if I can probably paint it over with acrylic paint to brighten it up a bit. Let's see what can be done. I tried, after it's dry, I'm gonna wipe it down and see if it looks any better. But I tried to cover as much marks as I possibly could. It kind of looks a little bit streaky, but I think that's because it's still drying. We'll see how goes it, but I want to spray paint the handles. But I'm extremely tired. I seriously look like a roadkill. I think I'm gonna take a nap before I go to Brampton. Plus, I think I'd rather leave a little bit later because it is rush hour right now. So, just got back from Brampton. My chest is feeling a little bit tight, so I should find my inhaler. I think I'm gonna start with the bathroom since it's like the smallest area. I went to the dollar store and I picked up like a bathroom mat, 4 storage bins, a shower curtain, and some like a soap dispenser and a holder of some like other stuff. But I also want to spray paint those because I want my theme to like be y'all. I want to also go online and order a duvet cover that's white. But I feel like I've been spending so much money. Anyways, I'm gonna see how much I can actually get done now, starting with the bathroom. Obviously, the top part is already like cluttered with some stuff, but it won't be there for long, so no worries. And I already scoured the bathroom last night because I really had to take a shower, but I didn't have anything else, so I really took a bath. This part is all wiped and clean. I'm gonna let that dry before I head into the bathroom because I don't want to mess that up. I also brought washcloth. It's looking like. That completes my bathroom. Only thing is left is to pack out the boxes and organize it under here, which shouldn't be hard because I already pre-organized from my other stuff. I forgot about this storage container that I kept in my bathroom. I'm gonna have to put this together and try to fit it somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. I might put it in this space here or put it in this corner. Hey guys, this is awkward. Okay, so I showered. I think I'm gonna start editing some of my videos, even though I don't have internet to even upload them onto YouTube. But in the meantime, at least I'll have them like ready to be uploaded and released at the same time. So I'm just going to edit until I'm ready to go to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow to see what else I can unpack. I honestly hope that I have the momentum to go through every single box, pack out everything, organize everything, and then start to build up my furniture that is in boxes. But that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow.